Welcome to qnawire.
We're gonna perform a sign test for question number 5, which talks about the median age of marriage in women. So the claim is that the median age is 27. Back in, I believe the question talked about 2014. But so we'll start. So we're gonna go step 1. So step 1, according to we're right here, is we want to state the hypothesis. So when stating the hypothesis, we are going to start with our null hypothesis, which is going to be that the median is equal to 27. Now the alternate hypothesis, which is stating that it's not true that the median is 27. Okay, so there's your hypothesis that we're going to be working with. All right, your step 2 is to find the critical value. So the critical value when n is going to be less than or equal to 25 is, we're going to look it up on table J, and we get a critical value that's going to be equal to 3. Right? And so now what we want to do is we want to move on to step 4. Actually, step 3. What do I say? Step 4, step 3. And we want to find what the test value is. So in determining the test value, we're going to have to take a look at all of the data points, and we're going to have to create signs for each one. And we're going to basically, if the data value is bigger than the median, we're going to give it a plus sign, and if it's smaller than the median, we're going to give it a minus sign. So when we go in the order in which the numbers were given to us in the problem, again, we're comparing everything to 27. So 34.6 is greater than, so it goes down as a plus. We'll put the pluses down as a green. 31.2 is a plus. 28.9 is a plus. 28.4 is a plus. 24.3 is a minus. Then the next row. So you can follow. So we got 29.8 plus. Oops, sorry. Let's keep it consistent. Plus 25.9. That's going to be our minus. And then 21.4 minus. 25.1 minus. 26.2 minus. And then the remaining values, 28.3 through 34.1, they're all bigger than 27. So we're going to take on plus signs. All right. So in step 3, when we want to calculate that test value that we're going to be comparing to our critical value, the test value is going to be taking the positives, which we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 positive values. And we have 5 negative values. So our test value is going to equal the smaller of those 2, which is 5. Okay? All right, so now we're on to step 4. And step 4 is now going to, we have to make a decision. So what we want to do is we want to compare. And we want to take our test value, which is 5, and compare it to our critical value, which is 3. And if the test value is greater than the critical value, we don't have enough evidence to support our claim. If the test value is less than, then we do. And in this case, 5 is greater than 3. So when we compare those two results, basically what the decision that we come up with because of this is that we do not reject our null hypothesis. Right? So that's our decision that we get, and then we have to summarize. So we're going to move on to step 5. Step number 5 now. because we don't have enough evidence to reject, now we basically summarize that. So my summary I'll put in blue, and that is there is not enough evidence to support the claim that the median age of women getting married is not 27 years old. All right,